Doug's obviously the winner. You know, tonight he's won a few different races before. What we're going to do is we're going to pull his motor and go through it and check it. We're going to make sure that motor's up to specs, FMCRA specs, racing specs as far as the motor goes. And Donnie's standing here supervising the tech to make sure no parts are swapped. Just supervising the job, period. Make sure everything rides good. It's a mountain machine motor. It's been sealed. He's just got a good motor is what I think it's going to be once we do tear it down and take a look at it. Shoot it that way. Wait a minute, it ain't even flashing there. Terry, it was a good race. Finishing second at New Smyrna Speedway. Thanks a lot. I want to put her in the same place.
Okay.
Hey, I want to congratulate you on a 2003 Future Star win for tonight at New Smyrna Speedway. Thanks. You can give her a kiss, it's all right.
All right.
Yeah, it's tighter than Loctite ever thought about. It's just short of breaking off. That's duck tight.
All right, let's see you try the big one. Try to fit that one in there. Pretty soon you're going to need a bigger car.
Right there.
It's dangerous to take your motor out.
So you got a table set up? So I ain't told you there to hold on.
I want to take a picture.
I got a ball.
Huh?
You got your special.
You can film it, but this isn't for the public to see. All right. What we're doing is we're taking the number 17 motor because he has numerous good runs.
4 victories. But I paid extra to get them seals put on there from Mountain Machine Service. And they can be damn proud of this motor they built because it's a fine one. I'm a good engine man, Tommy. I don't even know how much bolt holes.
Where's the bolt at? Doug, we shouldn't be having this much trouble putting on the gasket. You got yours?
2 monkeys and a football.
Well, I don't have mine yet.
Is it ours again?
It is, but it ain't right.
What's wrong with it?
Nah, he's good.
I was going to say, what's wrong with it? It came from that way.
Nah, he's good.
Okay.
He is the new.
I'm still the winner! I passed the tech shed!
We can present him with his trophy by his car, I guess.
What's that, Tommy?
Why don't you just give him a trophy and parts?
Just put the red box in
Why don't you just use the trophy from last time?
Karen, you can do the honors to Doug.
Hang on.
Everything was good. We teched him, tore him all the way down. All the clearances is good. Cam profile, head, flywheel, everything checked the specs. He just has a really good mountain machine motor. And that's just making another good statement for Mountain Machine Motorsports up there. They build the best motors out there, period.
We're number one, Tyler. All right.
Do it again.
At least like them bleep. Cut!
I'm gonna. Doug Smith, 2003 champion, New Smyrna Speedway. Thanks, Doug.
Hey, thank you, Tommy. The Douglas J. Smith Auctioneer Special is on a rail tonight, boys. I'm looking forward to coming back to New Smyrna Speedway. It's turning into my favorite track.